Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys know that there is no any by default option to download the Pinterest videos, but I'm gonna tell you the alternative method to download the video which will directly save to your gallery. So without wasting time, let's get started. Simply open up Pinterest application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Pinterest application on your mobile phone, simply search for that specific video which you want to download. So I'm just opening up the video, so you guys can open up that video which you want to download. So here is the video. I just want to download this video, so without wasting time we have to just simply download it. So simply click on the top right corner of three lines. So after clicking on these lines, now you have to simply select the option which is copy link. So it will basically copy the link of that specific video. Now you have to just simply open up any of your browser on your mobile phone. So I'm just opening up any of browser. So after opening up browser, you have to just simply search for Pinterest video downloader. So I'm just searching for Pinterest video downloader. So after searching for that, there are lots of Pinterest video downloader. There is no any specific one. You have to just simply open up any of the website. So after opening up any of the website, now here is the website. You guys can also search for that specific website, Pinterest video downloader.com. So after opening up that website, now you have to simply click on the long press on this section which is paste your links here. So long press and click on paste. So after clicking on paste, now you have to simply click on the download. So it will take some time and redirecting you to download section. So it will take some time. You just have to wait here and you will be able to see that here is the download button. So you have to simply click on download video. So after clicking on download video, you have to just simply click on below right corner of three dots and simply click on download. So after simply clicking on download, you guys will be able to see that there is a video is downloaded to your phone and into your gallery. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.